Shri Guru Charana Kamalebhyo Namaha. Maitreya Muni speaks to Vidur Maharaj that when demigods prayed unto him to please him, it means those who pray unto him, they obtain liberation, entrance into spiritual world. Those who do not engage in devotional service, they remain immersed in the activities governing three modes of material nature. When demigods pray that, O Lord, you created this world and the living entities are created and we are created, please bless us in such a way that all of us, we serve you, we live in you, in your world, in your creation, with our endeavors. And as per our capacity, we can offer the food grains, food to you and eat. Please bless us so we become free from all obstacles and problems. And serve you. Please produce some kind of solution, because we are the cause of your creation, so we can serve you. Some kind of solution we want to have. You are unborn and three modes of material nature and governing karma. Maya Shakti, all are due to you. When you created, you planted the seed in the Maya. So everything came to exist. Whatever goal you thought to create us, for whatever reason you created us, please engage us in that activity and give us the knowledge to serve you. Give us the power, potency, energy to do your work like that. Then Maitreya Muni continues. When the Lord glanced over material nature, 23 elements were born, but they were all separate. They remained inactive because they were not united. When they were not united, no activity took place. Then the Supreme Lord produced Kala Shakti, called time factor. Which produced the false ego, the five elements, material elements, earth, water, fire, air, ether, the five sense objects, called smell, taste, sight, sound, and touch. Then he produced 10 senses, hands, legs, mouth, 2 generation and evacuation, like that, these senses. 5 knowledge acquiring senses, the eyes, nose, ears, like that. And then mind. These are total 23. When all these were produced and time factor entered into aggravate, all the living entities took birth because Lord Kṛṣṇa planted the seed by glancing over this Maya energy. In that, the Lord entered as Virata Swarupa. Due to this, all these 23 elements became very active. That Lord lied down 1,000 years in the water, making sure everything is active and all living entities are created. But then, by himself, he created one, the Hridaya Shakti, the power potency of the heart. Then he created 10 life airs, Prana Sarupa. We have discussed these life airs in the 2nd chapter of the Bhagavad Gita purport. The details, 10 life factors. Then 3 modes of material nature, goodness, passion, ignorance. Then 3 miseries arising from Adi-Dovik, Adi-Bhautik, Adhyatmik. Miseries from the demigods, miseries from the nature, miseries from within, other living entities, miseries. Then entered in everyone's heart as the Jiva soul. And because he is in everyone's heart, acted as Paramatma Super Soul. As he was alone before everything was created, he acts as Bhagavan, to whom everyone has to engage in devotional service to please him. Due to him, all living entities come to exist and they act. Now, Maitreya Muni is thinking, Vidur Maharaj may be wondering what was first created of Virata Swarupa in this creation. What first came to be seen, to sight, to this world. So he says, at first his face came to exist. Then his ear came to exist. Then his skin came to exist. Then his productive sense, producing sense came to exist. Then evacuating channel came to exist. Then his hands, then his feet, then his intelligence, brain, then heart came to exist. Then from him, ego came. Then mind came to exist. After that, Mahatattva, in which he planted the seed. He aggravated them all. From his head, heaven came. From his feet, earth came. From his navel, sky came. From goodness, demigods were born. From passion, human beings were born. From ignorance, demoniac people. Bhuta, Preta means hobgoblins, ghosts, date of birth. From his mouth, Brahmins and the Vedas were born. From his hands, Kshatriyas were born. From his thighs, Vaishya were born. From his feet, Sudras were born. Then he says, Ete varna swadharmena yajanti swagurum harim. Shraddhayatma visuddhyartham yajjata saha vrittibhi. By their own vritti. Vritti means inclination of work, a habit of work. All these people with great faith served the Lord. These four varnas, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, who were born from the Lord by their vritti occupation, occupational duty, faithfully doing to please the Lord. Or they thought Guru should be served. They thought you to be Guru, Kṛṣṇa to be Guru. Maitreya Muni says, they served the Guru. Bande, Kṛṣṇam Bande Jagat Guru, like that. All these people, they serve the Lord faithfully. This Virata Swarupa, Kala Karma, and Swabhava, it works. Yogamaya serves him all the time. With Yogamaya, he remains unseen to the public's eyes. By Yogamaya, all living entities remain away from him. But the same Yogamaya helps some sincere souls to adopt devotional service. That Lord remains always beyond understanding. Cannot be understood so easily. People want to know, or want to see God, want to hear God. It's good to hear, but his pastimes, him being unlimited, cannot be grasped fully. By promise, one takes a vow that I will serve God. That person receives the mercy of him to understand him. Only by his mercy he can be understood. That's what it means. Why? Because, O Vidura, listen, he says. Lord Brahma performed tapasya thousands of years, thousands and thousands and thousands of years. Still he could not understand him fully. How can you expect yourself to understand him fully? But you can understand him if you become determined. Yes, I will never give up my devotional service. I will always be devotee. I will never break my principles. I will never go away from Kṛṣṇa. Then you can understand him. A devotee is always fixed in devotional service. Thank you very much.